It's already an exciting day at Observe's Now 6th edition Education Leaders Conclave and Awards. I am Falguni from Observe Now Media and I want to express my gratitude to have gotten the opportunity to interview Dr. Madhu Chitkara, Pro-Chancellor, Chitkara University, Chandigarh. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us today here at the conclave. How are you feeling about it?
So it's very good and very exciting. Reason being, I think I am very impressed to see that how you have planned this. Even the regulatory bodies, people from AICT, people from skill development and all the academias who are there, and then industry. So I think you have created that platform where three main stakeholders of education are together, and when they talk to each other, when they learn from each other, when they collaborate. So I was able to see your all the booths, and I think many great ideas are coming up and the young entrepreneurs are there. So I think it's a great platform for us to learn. And
Thank you so much, ma'am. It means a lot coming from you. So can you provide an overview of Chitkara University's mission and values in education?
I think Chitkara is into education for the last 47 years, and being a teacher, I am a hardcore teacher, and we started with this mission that whatever, and you will be amazed to know that Chitkara was a family name, now it has become a brand. So Chitkara is Chit Jamakara, Chit is Man, Kara is Karam. So whatever you do from heart is Chitkara. So our main vision mission is that whatever you do, it should come from your heart. And when it comes from your heart, it will always give a fruit to it, right? And our latest vision which we developed 2030, we have planned something for 2030 that the technologies which for the betterment of society. So we should use the technology not for fun sake or not for others' sake, but it should give benefit to the society. So it's our moral duty to give back to the society, right? So for that we have started developing our programs, and we are just telling the students that you should not be always a job seekers, you should be a job creators. So for that we were very I think early entrant into the incubation centers. So we have now 4 incubation centers which are DSD approved, and where 180 startups are working. So we are giving them seed money, and then for them we are creating the pitches, and we are calling the Ps so to talk to them so that they can learn. So I think this is the future where students can create their own products. They can do something on their own and they can create jobs for others. I think that should be our now vision.
Okay, I totally agree to what you said, ma'am, and thank you so much for joining us at this conclave. And we are definitely looking forward to host you in our upcoming events as well. Thank you so much, ma'am.